Welcome to the YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we will learn ABC alphabet and A to Z alphabet with objects. Let's start learning and have fun. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's learn A for apple to Z for zebra with objects. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Great job kids! You learned A, B, C and A to Z alphabet with objects. Keep learning and keep smiling. See you in the next fun video. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.